Mark, I was seriously hurt in a trucking accident. I was in the hospital for over 30 days. I'm very badly hurt,
Mhm.
and I am in need of legal help. There are a lot of lawyers out there, and I've already spoken to some of them, and they seem like they know what they're doing. So, what is it that makes you different compared to all the other lawyers out there who say they can help me?
Well, that's a good question, Chris. A lot of lawyers who do car wrecks or auto wrecks think they're qualified to do trucking cases, and they may not be. And here's the reason why. Trucking cases, particularly where it's a motor carrier and interstate carrier, those cases are very complicated, and there's a lot of science, a lot of rules and regulations that an ordinary lawyer is not going to know about. For example, interstate trucking companies are required to operate their rigs, their companies, according to the federal motor carrier safety rules. And a lot of lawyers who just do car wrecks maybe haven't even heard of that. So I wasn't born knowing how to do trucking cases. I had to get interested in it and study it to learn about it. But I was willing to do the work to get up to speed on this kind of case. So I've attended a lot of seminars, read a lot of books, and began handling cases. And I got familiar enough with it to where I was put on the board of directors of the Association of Plaintiffs Interstate Trucking Lawyers of America, which is a pretty nice honor. And in that capacity, I gave some speeches to other trucking lawyers around the country and was on call to take calls from other lawyers to give advice about particular problems they might have with their case. So I've handled a lot of trucking cases over the years, and some of them you can see on my website have ended up with really great results. Like one of them, 6.9 million. Many of them over $1 million result for the client. And I think the reason a lot of lawyers want to do trucking cases is they know that the cases have more value than an auto case. A lot of times there's a lot of insurance available, or maybe it's a big company like UPS or FedEx, and they know the case is going to be worth more than just an automobile collision case. But what you need to know, and you're doing a good job of researching, talking to other lawyers, is find out about the training and experience of the lawyers you're talking to. Have they gone the extra mile to learn about trucks? Have they tried trucking cases? What are the results they can tell you about? Um, so get them to demonstrate for you the specialized knowledge that is needed to handle a truck case.